Burdock root, Arctium lapa. This blood detoxifier is also known to promote blood circulation to the surface of the skin. My Alkaline Vegan Journey, I'm Robin, and I found this burdock root at an Asian store. And I usually use this with my sea moss and bladderwrack to make my 102, but I decided to test it. So I actually opened it up, and I cut these two pieces off, and I said, what would it taste like? I do ginger this way, and it's a root. And I decided to test it. And it's interesting because, oh my God, it's sweet, earthy. I could do this. Burdock root has antioxidant and antibacterial compounds. It is a potent inhibitor on tumor growth such as pancreatic carcinoma. The medicinal uses, according to traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, are used in treating chronic diseases such as cancers, diabetes, and AIDS. Follow me on YouTube, My Alkaline Vegan Journey, for more details. Robin, this is My Alkaline Vegan Journey.